Hey, quick video here on our chisel scraper holder. Has the same hook design that interfaces with any 3/4 expanded flattened metal. Easy to set and ready to go. Holds a variety of scrapers. Unique geometry, holds scrapers and chisels. Chisel rests in the bottom. This even different type of scraper punch thing. The side slots are designed to hold adjustable squares. So it can hold a little adjustable square this way, which my guys like. It can hold a large adjustable square. Also has a spacing so that it can hold my favorite little square. Real easy to use, solid and reliable, holds a variety of items right at your fingertips.